Good morning. Welcome to Options Tenders 325-21 Thursday. Getting late in the week. Hope everybody's had a great trading week so far. Let's finish off strong. It looks like the market wants to pull back just a little bit more. Today we're going to go over the game plan as usual to set ourselves up to see why we think the market's going to go a certain direction. So we'll go on ES and multiple time frames, but we're not going to do any trade ideas today. You can use SPY puts or scalp on the ES if you want to, but I have so many trade ideas that are just primed and ready to go, and I've used them all week, and all those names still stand. I believe every single one of them. RAD got wrecked, so that we'll have to reevaluate, but pretty much everything throughout the week if you want to look at some of those videos from earlier. I'm not going to repeat them to waste your time here, but we will check out the health of the market. Okay, so before we do that, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit the Options Tender logo, and subscribe. Hit the like button so we can get those algorithms working for us, and we can help all those traders that are just getting started in this business. We want to make sure that they stick around for a while. All right, so here we go. ES on the monthly, we have somewhat of a just doji indecision channel, but everything's bullish. We're inside month. It looks like we're just taking a pause this month so far. And down to the weekly chart. This is wave 5 of 5, and we see this candle here. It's trying to push. It looks like graveyard doji at this time, just trying to push underneath this candle. So far, it's an inside week. The low here is 38.75. That's a big number. If we can break down through that area, then we might have a little bit more to go. But on the 65-minute chart, we'll show you a little bit more in depth. But we're over all the averages. We are waning a little bit. We're sideways, but we're deep bull territory here on the MACD. That means we are in an uptrend. To the daily. Daily trend is our friend. All right, still holding that rising pivot. I know that's really hard to see, but it's a dashed line. I just keep that there for my reference. We do not get bearish unless we break underneath this rising pivot. And we're working on wave 1 right now. I still believe this is even part of wave 1. That's a minute wave 4 that we're working on now, and you'll see that on the 65. But we're moving sideways in this range right now. All of the MAs are bunching together. That means we're going to get ready for a large move. We're gonna move either large to the upside or to the downside, and we believe it's to the upside, and here is why. I think the market just has to come back a little bit more. It's generating energy. It's like a large flag or maybe pennant. But this area here is all consolidation. All right. So what do we have going here? We had a wave 1, 2, all the way up to 3. And we're working on wave 4. We had that triangle action yesterday, and we were waiting for that triangle just to see which way it was going. I got, so it, went much further than I thought, came up to this level. I actually shorted way too early, but I held on to it to see if we'd break this 200 moving average and this triangle top, and it did not. It broke down, so those worked out perfect. Got out at 38.80. So here's what we got going on here. We have our A, B, and working on C. In the C that's going on right now, we have a 1. Let me get closer in here. Not that close. Because we got a lot going on here, so I want to make it clear for you. So this is the A, B, and now on C, we're working on wave 1, 2, and minute 1, 2, 3, 4, and hopefully we finish wave 5 here today to move to bounce again on a wave 4, the larger wave 4, and then get this flush over with. on wave 5, and I think we could do that by the end of today or tomorrow, and that way we can hopefully have a nice up week on next week, because all my calls I'm still holding calls, call spreads, and we want to see those start to develop. And this market, the longer it takes, the more those calls are gonna not deplete, but decay. So and right now we're just trying to protect our positions. All right, so that's pretty much it. We're looking at here. We're probably, when we make this minute wave 5, that's when we'll come up and we'll start to make divergence, a bullish divergence. Okay, we don't have anything yet. We're trying to cross over, but that, I don't think that's going to happen yet. Once you see that bullish divergence, I think we're going to start making our final and 5th wave up on this wave 1, this larger wave 1. Okay, so overall, we're looking at this is all wave 1. And then we'll have a deeper pullback. All right, so thanks for joining us here at Options Center. Good luck trading today. We'll talk to you soon.